Where will you be as an Igbo woman when prominent Igbo women shall gather for the 2024 August meeting under the aegis of Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide? This year's edition of the annual event promises to be explosive, incisive, and engaging as the Amazons gather to discuss and brainstorm on the general affairs of Igbo under the chairmanship of His Excellency Chief Valentine Ozigbo, former PDP governorship candidate, Anambra State. This great event shall take place on the 24th of August 2024. Venue, Anedo Hall, Nnewi, Anambra State. Time 10 a.m. Prominent sons and daughters of Igbo shall grace the occasion, such as the chief host, His Excellency Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, the governor of Anambra State. Mother of the day, Her Excellency Dr. Nonye Soludo, the first lady and the wife of the governor of Anambra State. The royal father of the day, His Majesty Igwe Alfred Achebe Agogidi, will be of Onisha. Special guest of honor, Labour Party presidential candidate, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi, and Chief Achike Udemwa Onwa, former governor of Imo State, who is also the grand patron. The high point of the event will be the conferment of meritorious awards on prominent sons and daughters of Igbo who have contributed in one way or the other to the development of Igbo, among whom is Chief Chekwas Okorie, Ojozi Igbo, founder and pioneer national chairman, All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, Chief Valentine Ozigbo, Venerable Dr. Emeka Nwigwe, and many more. Come one, come all. Signed, Eziada Ifeoma Nwadike, founder and global president, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide. Ibamaka!